Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this photo to this photo by adding some moody slash autumn colors filters from Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. I'm going to be using Lightroom on PC. If you have Lightroom on your phone or Mac, it's fine. They have the same basic settings, I guess. I'm not using any plugins or anything. So yeah, just stick around, follow my steps, and you will have the same results. Okay, first of all, I'm going to edit some basics like exposure, contrast, and stuff like that. Remember, this is my photo. Maybe your photo won't handle the settings that I'm doing right now, like the basics that I'm doing right now. Or you can follow my lead, you can follow the things that I do, or you can do it like as your photo handles, as your photo would be better in. Alright, now down to where the magic will begin. Go to yellows in color and decrease the hue all the way down until you can see orange color in your picture. This orange color will give us the vibe of autumn because it gives a vibe of orange and black and maybe a little bit of blue, as you can see in the picture. So yeah, play with it around until you feel happy with it, and then follow my lead. And now we have orange color in our photo, so we go to the orange section and play with it a little bit. Not too far, just so you can't go too far with the picture. Remember, those bars are really sensitive. Your picture will get ruined without even noticing it. When you're done, go to temperature, increase it, not a lot, just so you can give this color. You can see the color changing and it's getting a little bit better, a lot better actually. And you can see that the vibe is coming out. It's coming out of the picture. As you can see in the before picture, it looked cold and dark and faded away without no color. But after we put those filters on, the picture started to give this orange autumn vibe that we were looking for. And as you can see, my model is wearing a denim jacket. I'm going to fix the color of it a little bit so it fits the orange color of autumn and the vibe that we're looking for. If your model is wearing a denim jacket just like my model did, you can play with it as I did, so the color will fit the color of orange. The color of the denim jacket will fit the color of orange that we're seeking for. If your subject is wearing another color, you just play with the color of it, change it so it fits the color of orange, because it will look fit. If somebody sees the picture, his eyes or her eyes will be comfortable while looking at this picture. Remember guys, this is just a beginner tutorial. I'm not an expert in photography. I've been doing photography for a year now, so I'm not a big expert. I'm just giving you kind of my experience, my style in photography. This is what I like to do. This is what I like to see in a picture. So yeah, remember, don't go too far with the bars in Lightroom because you will ruin your picture without even noticing it. If you like this video, make sure to put a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe to see future tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.